Okay guys, welcome again to another episode of Pinoy in Australia. Just a few hours ago, I'm scrolling my phone, checking the videos on my phone, and I have found out this video, and it's been there in the memory of myself for a very long time, guys. So I decided to share it to you guys. This is the first problem that I had encountered on that uh, Holden Astra. I have made lots of video on that Holden Astra. So when I decided to restore this vehicle, this is the first problem that I had encountered. But actually, this vehicle is no longer here. It's already on the scrapyard. And if you follow the video that I had made, you're going to find out what is the reason why I disposed this vehicle. Uh, so what's the other video, guys? So this problem that I'm going to show you guys, this is the first problem that I had encountered after deciding how to after deciding that I would like to restore it and sell this vehicle. But unfortunately, the problem is very wide and it will cost me so much. And I cannot recover that amount of money if I will continue fixing this vehicle. So this problem is the first problem that I encountered that I think it will be useful to you in the future if you're going to decide to fix vehicle that had been stuck on the yard for a very long time. So this vehicle is stuck for 7 years. So watch guys this video. So I'm pretty sure that if you're going to encounter this kind of vehicle, uh, any type of vehicle that had been stuck in the driveway and it's not in the covered area, I'm sure you're going to encounter this kind of problem, guys. So watch this video, guys. Okay guys, welcome again to another episode of Pinoy in Australia. What we have today is the Holden Astra Year 2000 year model. So the issue of this vehicle is no crank, no start. So I already found out the fault, guys. What I found, guys, is a faulty fuel pump. So let's check the condition of the fuel tank. Okay guys, this is the fuel tank of this vehicle. So as you can see, I have a pump here. I'm trying to suck all the dirt inside the fuel tank. So those tank is coming from the uh, wiring of the uh, sender unit and the fuel pump. This is the old wiring. So as you can see, all the insulation are deteriorating. So some of those insulation are inside the fuel tank. So I'm trying to suck them using this hand pump. And right now, the condition of the sending unit and the fuel pump are deteriorating. So right now, I'm trying to suck all the dirt inside the fuel tank. There are lots of impurities inside. Some rust, some part of the tank that are falling apart. And let me show you the pump. I had sucked some of the fuel, guys. I put in this container. So look at those uh, rust inside the container. Those are rust and some foreign materials inside the fuel tank. I have managed to suck them, and what I did is I filtered the fuel that I had got from the tank. So this is a 10 liters fuel container tank, jerrycan. So those are the rust. So those are the rocks, guys. See? So I use cloth to filter the fuel. So, okay, guys. I'm gonna show you the pump. Okay, guys. This is the condition of the sending unit. So see, as you can see, it's deteriorating, guys. So even the insulation of the wiring is no longer there. It deteriorates. Also, all the deteriorated insulation of the wiring of the sending unit is inside the fuel tank, and I'm trying to suck them using the hand pump. And this is the fuel pump. The fuel pump is also broken. It's no longer pumping. So this vehicle had been stuck on the parking for a very long time, and unfortunately the tank is empty. That's why the corrosion and rust had managed to damage the components inside the fuel tank. So all the insulation had been eaten by corrosion, and I'm not sure whether this I think this is a pressure regulator. I think this one is also faulty. I'm going to double check this one too, guys, because this one is connected to the return line of the um, fuel line. So this is the one um, connected to the fuel tank, fuel pump. This one is connected here, and this one is attached here, which is the uh, CR return. The other one is supply. So this must be the pressure regulator, but there is wiring also attached on this one. So this wiring, guys, this one is attached here, the socket. Then the other one, this little one, this one is attached here. It's attached on this portion, guys. Yep. Then this wiring, this one is attached here. So as you can see, everything is deteriorating, guys. Even this one. Okay, that is the insulation of this socket. That's it, this terminal. I need to find out whether this one is still working, guys. This one, this is the harness of the sending unit, or the level, fuel level sending unit. Correction, guys. This one is attached here, and this one is attached here, and this one is attached here. Yep. And this one is attached here. So this one is attached here. Let me reconnect it like that. Okay guys, that is the setup of the wiring guys. Okay, that is the sending unit for the fuel level. It's attached here, and this is the connection going to the pump, fuel pump. So this is the socket for the fuel pump, and this one is attached on this component. As far as I know, this is the pressure regulator, and this is attached on the return line of the fuel. Okay guys, I had fixed that issue guys. What I did is I purchased used fuel pump assembly. So that fuel pump consists also the fuel sending unit. So it comes as an assembly guys. So after putting the use fuel pump, it fixed the problem guys. It fixed the fuel level issue. It fixed the no start no crank issue. So after fixing this vehicle, the fixing putting the new pump, every weekend I start the engine and I run it. But before that, there is also a problem with the mass airflow sensor. And if you're going to if you had followed my video, I had managed to fix that problem with the mass airflow sensor fault. Um, that problem was caused by the faulty ECM. It has an internal failure inside. The wire band is the issue. If there is a loose connection in the wire band inside the ECM. So after maybe a month, I've been starting the vehicle every weekend until such time it has a misfire issue guys, multiple misfire, and not only multiple inside, sometimes it moves in one cylinder, it goes to the other cylinder. And what I had found out guys is this oil sludge inside the uh, cylinder is the cause of the misfire, and also those impurities inside the fuel tank have managed to penetrate the common rail. So maybe the fuel filter also failed to filter the fuel, and some of the impurities have managed to pass through the fuel filter. And if you had watched the video guys, that misfire issue, I had taken off the um, common rail, and I had cleaned the fuel injector. And I show on that video that I had removed the common rail, and there is impurities inside. And that impurities is come from the deteriorating uh, fuel pump wiring inside the fuel tank. So as you can see in the video, in this video, some of the terminal is like a crackling. When I squeeze it, it crashes into tiny pieces. So I hope this video guys help you in the future guys, if you're going to uh, encounter a vehicle that had been stuck on the yard for a very long time. Usually you will encounter the no start no crank, or sometimes you will encounter there is a starting there is a cranking but it won't start. Usually it is the fuel pump that caused the problem guys. Okay guys, if you like this video guys, please subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press that like button. Please press that notification bell so you will be notified every time I do a video guys. So see you in the next video guys. Paalam.